Welcome to Timeless Foodies. Here I am today to share a very tasty and easy soup, that is chicken soup with few vegetables. So for this recipe it's very easy and tasty to make. So if you want to know how to make it, let's get started. So here I have taken half kg of chicken bones. If you go to the shop and ask for chicken bones, they will give it separately to you. To it I have added a small piece of ginger, crushed it, and also one garlic pod. I have crushed it as well, and I have boiled this chicken bones and water. The water that I have added is double the amount of the chicken bones. You can add more as well depending upon your choice if you want to make more stock. So half kg is a good amount of chicken bones. So I'm boiling it and removing the dirt from it. You can see on the top you're getting froth. This is the bad part of the chicken that is coming, so you have to discard it. So I'll boil it until the chicken stock is entirely clear, and also you get the oil on the top of it. It is floating. It means the chicken bones is completely cooked and it is ready for the chicken stock for us to make the soup. So here you can see I am continually stirring it. So here I have not added salt or any other spices at this point of time. We have to discard the garlic as well as the ginger at the end or when the chicken stock is ready. So here you can see the chicken stock is ready as it is clear. There is no froth coming on the top and it is clear. You also have the oil on it. So now we have to discard this, that is separate the chicken stock, the bones, the garlic and ginger. So now we will use the chicken stock to make the tasty chicken soup. With the chicken bones I will remove the flesh from it and keep it aside. So here the chicken stock is ready. I've already added boiled corn to it and also carrot of my choice, my vegetables that I want to eat, and then salt as per my taste. So now once chicken stock is ready, it is very easy to make the soup. So here I have taken one big small size of and here one more thing that I've added is the chicken pieces. So it is chicken pieces that I've removed from the bones, and to thicken the soup I have added here the cornstarch, which is 3 tablespoons of cornstarch powder. I have added to water and mixed it well without lumps and added this is just to thicken the chicken soup. So I have to use again the chicken stock, which was once it has cooled down. So 3 tablespoons of chicken stock and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. And here I have also added here dark soya sauce, 1 full tablespoon. This is optional. This is just to bring little bit of flavor to the chicken soup. If you don't have, you can skip it, but if you can if you have it, you can add it. It gives a good flavor. So we'll mix all this well. Now just few more ingredients for us. The chicken soup is ready. So you can also see that I'm stirring it. So here I've added here white pepper powder. So it is half tablespoon of white pepper powder, just to bring little bit of spiciness. If you have black pepper powder, you can add that as well. And the final one is egg. So egg drop, if you want you can add it. It is optional. So I've beaten 1 egg and dropped it on the top. It just add it, and then we'll switch off the gas stove. So you can see the white part, it has become like ribbons. So that means that is the egg. Now the chicken soup is ready. Now it is ready to serve. So you can have it and serve it in the bowl in a beautiful bowl and have it hot. It really gives very nice and peaceful peace to your body and mind as well, especially when you're having cold and you're not feeling well. That is the best soup that you can make at home, easy. If you don't want to make, if you're a vegetarian, you can just skip the chicken part and add all the vegetables that you like, boil them and use the stock, and then add vegetables of your choice. I hope you like this recipe. If you like it, do like, comment and subscribe to this channel, and click on the bell icon if you are new to this channel, and do comment in the comment section if you have tried this recipe and let me know, so I'll be really feel happy. So thank you for watching, friends. Until now, see you in the next video. Bye bye.